Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today is going to be a fantastic video. We ordered the 12 Days of Christmas box from Magic at Your Door. It was $199.99 and it has 12 Disney Christmas ornaments in it, and I am so excited for this one. It's going to be fantastic. Let's take a look at the box. Look at this. I already peeked. I just opened it because I saw that some other people got, it looks like a punch box where the top opens. And I was just curious if that's what was in here, and I didn't go any further than that. I saw the confetti. Why can't I remember that word? I saw the confetti and stopped. So we are going to dig into this, and that's all coming up right now. All right, here we go. So, it's very festive in here, or Italian, one or the other. Oh boy. Oh, and the punch box is inside of here. This is gonna be a mess. I'm gonna use a little magic. Much less mess. So here's the box. So when you look at it and you read it, boom, very cool. And then actually on the bottom, nothing, are the punch holes. And one of them says, open last. So I'm gonna open that one first. Just kidding. All right. So there has to be a magical way to do this. Let's see if we can get them to jump right out of the box. It worked. It exploded. All right. There's a knot on it. This might take a minute. Oh, no. All right, we're good here. Let's see. I'm so excited. Our Christmas tree is going to be amazing. All right. Confetti. I wonder if they're all in these little pouches. I'm gonna have quite the collection. Oh, we got a little grumpy action. Check him out. I'll throw him up on the screen so you can take a peek at him. So this little monster was $21.99 and it's hand painted. How cool is that? Take a quick look at that. Alright, it's an amazing start. 11 more to go. Alright. Let's see if this one's done. This one's ripe here. Got all kinds of colors, these. This is gonna be a huge mess. Mickey! Awesome! Check him out. Throw him up on the screen for you. This one is also hand painted and 22 bucks. Mickey is amazing. It's pretty cool to actually have a kind of a Halloween ornament. I dig it. Alright. Things are going swimmingly. Go in here. Another green. Alright. Man. It's gonna make for a cool Christmas. Nothing. Tree. Can't even guess what they are. Oh, Mickey Ears hat. This is so cool. Check it out on the screen. These are also, these seem to all be the same company that makes them. They're all, oh, this one doesn't say hand painted. It says porcelain ornament, and this one's 25 bucks. Mickey Mouse Club. Loving that. Wow, that is super cool. Alright. We seem to be in a rut here. Let's move it on over to... Alright. I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh! This is the one ornament that I saw someone else get, and I was super jealous. The Up House. Oh my gosh, look at that. 17 bucks. This one was actually fairly inexpensive, and it's my favorite so far. Wow, that is really cool. You're killing it, Mike. This one took extra magic to get it out of the hole. It did not want to come to the world. Ah, now I see why. That big card was in there. Oh, I think it... how pretty is that? Look at little Tink. Throw that up on the screen for you. That one was only $10.50 and it's so pretty. And hopefully it's with us for a long time and we don't have a cat knock it off the tree. Alright. So, that's 5. A la peanut butter sandwiches. This is so much fun. I know you're supposed to do these one day at a time, but that ain't happening. I don't have that kind of patience. Plus, I want them all on the tree as long as I can possibly have them this year. I didn't throw that at anybody in particular at all. Oh, this one's really... I'm gonna launch it across the room. Dumbo! Mary is gonna love him. Throw him up there for you. This is another one of the porcelain ornaments, $25. Very pretty. Wow. I am really digging this. Alright, we are halfway through. This one's a different shape. Let's see. And it's really light. I am not an ornament whisperer. But if I had to guess, it smells like a monorail. Well, I was close, and I understand why I got confused, because monorails smell like a horse barn, and Woody tends to ride a horse, so not too far off. Look at how cute he is, he's like a puppet. Let me throw him up there for you. This one is very different than the rest, I love it. 22 bucks. That is super cute. I don't know if you guys agree with me or not, but I personally think that monorails smell like Bullseye's stable. I don't know why, but that's what it smells like to me. Alright, less stable talk. Alright. Winnie the Pooh. It's not exactly Winnie the Pooh. It's a gargoyle from the Haunted Mansion, and he lights up. The candles light up. That is amazing. Throw that on the screen for you. Holy cow, I love it! We are huge Haunted Mansion fans. Man, these are all really good. And so far, no frozen ornaments. I said that, and now the next one's gonna be one. Watch. I can feel this one's gonna be frozen right here. Are you feeling it? Am I gonna get one of these right? Let's see. Olaf? Is that you? Nope, that's my cat. It's not frozen. It's a Mickey and his legs are a bell. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Mickey is 25 bucks. That is super cute. Where is he? There he is. Alright, we're down to 3 left. One of these bad boys has to be frozen. Alright. It's very light. That's my guess. I'm gonna say this has to be a princess of some kind. That is not a princess. I'm so good at this. It's Mushu. Check him out. That's really cute. I like it. Let's see. This one's hand painted as well. And 22 bucks. Very cute. One more regular one, and then the save for last one. Kind of bummed that I'm almost running out. This one's bigger. I'm gonna say it's Donald and Daisy. Hi, Donald and Daisy. It appears to be a Maleficent Purse. Throw that up on the screen. You be the judge. Looks like one to me. It's very sparkly. $25 ornament. Mary is gonna love this because Mary loves all things Maleficent and purple. Alright. The time has come. Drum roll, please. So, it says last one, but there's 3 bags in one hole. So it's not over yet. I'm digging it, Mike. So what are there 3 of? Little pigs. Oh man. That is super cute. Mickey standing in front of the castle. I'll throw that up on the screen. Wow, that's my favorite so far. That one is 22 bucks. Man, I like that one. Even the back of the castle's cute. Very cool. Alright, so now there's still 2 bags in here. So it's not 12 ornaments, it's 14 ornaments. They only did 25 of these boxes, so next year, if you like this one, get on it quick because they sell out very quickly. Oh man, this was made for me! Mickey's everywhere! When you see it up close, you'll see there's kind of a, hopefully you can see it, there's like a foggy area that is the castle, and then on the back it says Walt Disney World, but you read it through the front. That is so cool. Love it. 25 bucks. That is so cool. Alright, last one. Coming up. Very light. Man, this is quite the cool pile. This one is really, really light. Oh, Mickey ear headband, mini ear headband with the bow. That is so cute. No Frozen! Yes! We did it! We made it through! $17 for this one. Take a peek at that. And then I'm going to put all of them up on the screen so you can take a peek. I really want to thank Mike and 001 over at Magic at Your Door. This is amazing. These are all going on the tree. There's not one in there that I don't like. I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit now. If you would like to join the family at Magic at Your Door and start a subscription of your own, you can use our promo code, which is DD10. Put it down on the bottom of the screen. That saves you $10 off your first shipment of your first month. And trust me, you should, because they do some amazing stuff. If you would like to see one of our monthly boxes, you can look down, at my other videos and check it out. This is amazing. I'm blown away. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, it was a $60 box from Bibbidi Bobbidi. That's their fantasy box. That's right there. And if you'd like to subscribe, click the button right here. Hope you have a Merry Christmas.